city of Waldo, Florida. Yep. We'll be coming up to the resort soon. And whether you're taking Highway 301 north or south, whenever you're in Waldo, Stark, Lake City, what's the other one? It's another one, I can't think of their name. When you're in those little small towns, make sure you slow down, because those towns strictly enforce their speed limit. Because we'll be 55, then we'll go to 45 shortly, and then you will be 35. So you want to make sure you're paying attention. Got anything to say, babe? You just driving now.
Just driving along.
Driving along in my automobile. And there's the flea market. Only on the weekends. Here we are. Gainesville RV Park. And the stop sign says always stop. Well, all RVs must stop here and check in the office. We made it here at Gainesville RV, which is actually in Waldo, Florida, and not Gainesville, Florida. We're getting it all backed in. It's a straight pull through. You go around this way, you make that left, and then you come back around. But he's trying to get it adjusted so that the door or the stairs will be on the where the concrete is. I think the concrete pad should have been longer, in my opinion, for longer rigs or larger rigs like ours. We're 38 feet, so we're gonna make it do now, y'all. We're gonna make it do what it do. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
We are here at the Gainesville RV Park, which is actually in Waldo, Florida. We out walking this morning, and we want to just give you a little quick tour. There's not a whole lot of amenities here, but it is, we chose it because it's close to Gainesville, where we have family.
Yeah.
And so, this is the front entrance up here. And we have homesteaders. Babe.
Yeah, long term.
Long term. I call them homesteaders. So we We're here in Florida because Carlos has family, had a family reunion here. So we came down, and of course, we were looking for a place to park our RV because it is most cost efficient to stay in our RV than it is to rent hotel rooms. So this is reasonably priced. About how much, babe? You out of the frame now.
It depends on what during holiday. It's about $53 a night.
Okay. So
That's average. I'm say average.
we've made it here to the front gate. So of course it's a code to get in, and then you have the showers and restrooms located here right next to the front office. So that is the office. And then I can't go into the men, but I will go into the women. Wait a minute. I think it's locked. So I can't show you the inside of the shower house because it's locked.
That means somebody's in there.
Oh, okay. Well, the door had a code on it, and I don't have the code. So, yeah. But they have the shower house, restrooms, and Wi-Fi. And then they have a catch and release pond. You think it's fish in there, babe?
Yeah, it's fish in there. Some smallmouth bass in there. Some brim in there.
Okay.
I don't know if any catfish in there.
Mm. So,
Catch and release is not my fun.
not your thing, babe?
Nah, if I catch it, I'm keeping. I'm cooking. So that's why I ain't gonna mess with their pond. Because it's catch and release. And I'm gonna obey the rule. So that's why I'm not gonna catch it. I ain't gotta release it.
Okay. And then over here, let's turn around. Yeah, we're sorry, we can't control the elements. That's God's thing. So like I said, we have homesteaders. So this is the pond area over here. So right there is the fire pit.
Community fire pit.
Fire pit. And I've seen no activity since we've been here. And it's just like a round circle. So this is we're walking, but it's not a
Hey, how y'all doing? All right.
got dogs.
A nice Cadillac.
They have areas over here. Hey, fella. Beautiful. The pond over there. So, neighbors. Over here, have indoor. Well, this is the only grill that I've seen. So this is a pavilion. Babe, you want to go inside and see? He's also doing see a guy cleaning the lock. So is this a screen-in porch area? Ooh, I just walked into a spider web. But yeah, this is just a screen-in area in here. And so looks like they have
Some more bathrooms.
some more restrooms, and we'll go out this door.
He's clean.
And he's cleaning the restroom over here. So looks like they also have over in the distance over there, they have
Storage.
Storage. Storage is over there. And then they look like they have a pavilion. Uh-oh. Moved out with neighbors. Turn the camera back around here on us. So, yeah. So it look like if you want to have an event here, you could. Because they also have this area where you can rent chairs and like a dance floor. Oh, I feel water. See if I can get in here and get a close up. So, yeah. So, yeah, they have, looks like you can come here and rent space.
Rain.
Oh, we've gotten caught in the rain. So, look like they have a little, I don't know if you want to call this tennis or pickleball, pool table. What's that game called? The ping pong table.
You got a ping pong table,
The
pool table.
large area over there. They look like they have a
Tic-tac-toe.
large family size
Tic-tac-toe.
tic-tac-toe. So that's the pool. No smoking in here. Then they have
Sandbags, hand toss.
I can't remember what it is. And they have a screen to the top where you can I guess have movies. And then they have a concession stand over in the back. And they provided trash cans. But yeah, nice ceiling fans. Now we're outside. It's nice under here. I don't know if it's nice simply because it's raining, but the wind is blowing. So like I said again, it is a lot of people here. And my only takeaway or thing that I wish is that they had fire pits at each campsite, because if I want to grill, I don't want to come over here to do it. The rain is slacked up. So that's us. That is us right there. That's us. I forget our campsite number, 25?
Yes.
25. And so again, it is a lot of it's a lot of homesteaders here. But they have a lot of space to check them out. They're reasonably priced, and it has been quiet. So there's not a lot of noise. There's a truck stop like next to it, and then across the street you have Family Dollar, and then there's the Waldo Flea Market across the street, and then you're near the city of Stark, Florida, where you can go and get groceries from the Walmart, gas. So we're gonna get back to our RV because it's raining and I don't want to be drenched on. What you think, babe?
Yeah.
But it has turned out to be a nice morning to take a good walk.
Yeah. Even though it's a little sprinkle now off and on. Thunderstorms supposed to be later on this afternoon, but it's not scorching.
Yeah, because this, as the people say, this Florida weather can be disrespectful.
It could be a scorcher.
Yep. Please help keep the park clean. Notice Catch and release only. Well, we told you about that. And then it's got a sign that says, don't feed the alligators. We haven't seen any, but there's a sign. Yeah, we haven't seen any alligators. I don't want to see any alligators. I know people go pay to feed alligators. I'm a true Floridian. I don't play with alligators, baby. We're not friends at all.
Alligators love meat.
And they'll eat anything. They'll eat you, your dog, your cat.
So
yeah. So we are enjoying our stay while we're here. I think when we leave here, we may be going, where our next stop, babe?
go to State Park and over there in Micanopy.
Okay, State Park and Micanopy. So if we decide to go that way, we will make sure to let you see what we do when we do what we do.